Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. What to say? Nifty closed once again below 17,000 and Nifty indicated gap up opening. It opened gap up, but I always say as soon as the markets gap up, markets are falling, and that has been the trend for the last many days. Yesterday, Adani stocks hit lower circuit. And I told you, there is for the last 1 month it has been stabilized, but now why it is hitting lower circuit, nobody knew. And again today, the first half an hour there was some volatile trade, again everything went for a lower circuit. Of course, Adani Enterprise and Adani Port, since they trade in F&O, so there is no lower circuit for that. And both the stocks have fallen more than 5%. And whereas Adani Wilmar, Adani Gas, Adani Transmissions, they all fell 5% and hit the lower circuit. Later, the report came, something called Ken report, they say something like that. And they said, Adani said he has prepaid a lot of loans, but actually he has not done that. So if he has really prepaid the loan, the lender and should have informed the exchanges within 2 business days, and even the Adani who prepaid should have informed the exchanges within 1 week or 10 days. But there was no such exchange filing reported. So therefore, what he said is not true. So then, people thought maybe Adani said something to prop up the shares, and they started selling. And stock markets do not like one word, that is a scam. So now I think this Adani scam, as I told you last week, is just like a 2G scam, Adani scam. I do not know whether both are similar or not, but both involve lakhs of crores of rupees. So this could be one possible reason why our market is so badly performing. In the year 2023, we are down more than 10%, while the global markets are mostly positive or slightly negative. And we are hugely underperforming the world markets. And as soon as this report came, the PSU banks also started falling. And because the State Bank has large exposure to Adani Group. And today, after falling so much, and once again the markets are falling, and today all the sectors except the financials, and all the sectors fell. Mid cap fell, small cap fell, next 50 fell, and though the fall was not big, but we are somewhere near the support zone, and we have already fallen 50% of the last year rally, from the bottom 15,200 to top 18,900. And at this lowest point, and markets are still trading lower. So this is quite disappointing, I would say. In the last 15 minutes, Bank Nifty recovered about 100 point plus. Otherwise, Nifty would have closed even below 16,950. I'm not very sure, but probably today is the closing level, is the lowest closing for Nifty future. The way things are going, I would say only one thing, it is time to be cautious. Global markets, if India is underperforming the world markets, at some point of time, it will catch up, it will align with the global markets. But now, these India-specific issues, like this Adani scam and huge FII selling, they are all interlinked. And today, surprisingly, FIIs were net buyers. And FIIs today have bought, 1,530 crores. But domestic institutions have sold for 150 crore. Despite that, markets fell so much. Why? If you ask the bears, they will tell you that the 1,530 crore probably would have come from a company like GQG who are willing to invest in Adani stocks. Because Adani stocks have fallen more than 10% in last 2 trading sessions. So some people who are interested in Adani stocks, they might have brought in the money to buy the Adani stocks. So probably the entire 1500 crore was bought in only to buy the Adani stocks. So leaving the Adani stocks, probably FIIs are not buyers. So anyway, FIIs have been selling, and they have been selling continuously for the last many months. I think that is not going to subside anytime soon. So all the sectors falling, at this low level, that too at the support level, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, the markets are just not recovering. There was not even a technical bounce. Anytime you just keep selling call option, you are making money. And money making should not be so easy. So somewhere these option sellers should get trapped. And yesterday I told you 17,000 call option had the huge open interest, added huge open interest. And I thought at some point, the markets may rally, these people will be in trouble, but they made easy money today. So looking at the open interest today, once again, 17,000 call option added huge open interest, and not only that, 17,050, 17,100. So people left, right and center, they are selling the call options. So anyway, we just have only one more trading session for this expiry. Last month, February expiry, Nifty closed somewhere around 17,500 plus. And by looking as of today, it is below 17,000. Tomorrow also the hopes are very little. And Nifty, assuming that it's closing around 17,000, so it's a loss of about 500 point, and the 4th consecutive fall in Nifty, just a 3rd time in the history of Indian stock market for the last 25 years. I check only the last 25 years data. So it is time to be cautious, and as I have been saying, if the markets move higher, more than 100 point up, go and sell call option above 17,250. And markets fall more than 100 point down, and sell put option below 16,750. So that is the only trade that has been working very well for the last few days. But now that trade is also gone, because tomorrow one day expiry, and those options like 16,700, they all are trading only 2 rupees, 3 rupees only. So there's nothing much left. So next month, April series is one of the shortest series. April month is only 4 weeks, and out of the 4 weeks, there are 3 public holidays. So effectively they have only 17 trading sessions. So let us hope for something better, at least some recovery in the month of April. So right now there is nothing much to add, except that financials did well. So we hope at least the financials support the market tomorrow. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.